Welcome to Thursday's Market Sit Rep here at T3 Live. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Options Strategist. And market's kind of wallowing around today. A relatively quiet day, so to speak, but overseas, starting to see some of the reasons why. Seeing more slowdown, industrial production, factory numbers, housing out of China. Also, news out of Japan. The other day, somebody in the Kuroda government or cabinet floated the idea that the sales tax plan for next October 2015, might be delayed. So the Nikkei had a rip your face off rally, and then here comes all the buzzkills out of the woodwork saying, yeah, we delay that, and we're in trouble. We're going to lose the fiscal trust. It's going to raise risk premiums. It's going to make the Bank of Japan's job a lot harder. So, perfect example of how central banks around the world, once they get the markets addicted to crack, when they try and pull it away or try to do something grown up, everybody goes freak mode and throws a temper tantrum. So that's never a good sign. But and again, with the slowdown over in China, the same type of thing. Now you have all these heavies coming out of the woodwork going, well, things are starting to get a little worse in China. So the PBOC, the People's Bank of China, has got to act. They've got to do some sort of quantitative easing. Otherwise, we're in a lot of pain here. So that's pretty dangerous. I mean, it's pretty dangerous when you got these heavies in the market saying, well, we expect some quantitative easing or some intervention by the central bank. That's bad, folks. That really is soccer on a Saturday nowadays. Everybody gets a trophy, right? Nobody's allowed to fail. Nothing bad is allowed to happen, which is just not the way markets are supposed to work. And the end of this stuff is going to be epically horrible. Down in South in Brazil, seen some resignations in Russa's cabinet. She went to their Congress the other day asking for some relief from some of their fiscal constraints. She's literally the dog that caught the car. Now what? I won this brutal re-election campaign. Now what the heck do I do? So that's going to be interesting to see what happens down south. We have a lot of long-term Brazil trades on. And finally, Walmart reported today, rise in U.S. sales. However, retailer offers muted Q4 outlook as it sees a highly promotional holiday season. That is polite marketing terminology for what? We're going to be discounting the heck out of everything. That's not good, okay? But tomorrow we'll see how good stuff is because we got core retail sales and regular retail sales. The word core means X, meaning excluding autos, and we're also going to get University of Michigan consumer sentiment numbers. So tomorrow we'll get a little bit of a glimpse into what mom and pop are thinking as far as the economy. Just got done our accelerated retirement webinar. Just closed one of our Apple bullish double verticals. Look at this, folks. Over 300% return on a trade in Apple over a couple weeks. $5,300 gain. And to be honest with you, the Apple trades were totaling. Here's I got another fill there. Our Apple trades were totaling over $10,000. We had over $10,500 in market gains for 145% return. I just closed out one of those Apple trades, obviously taking some profits, so it's not showing that, but trust me. And I left on all the bull put spreads. I have 3 bull put spreads on for Apple expiring in a couple weeks here, and there's about $700, $800 left in these to go. So we're looking at what's that? 2, 4, 6, 5, 10. I don't know, 7, 8 grand in remaining Apple profits. So having a really great time trading Apple, having a great time trading in all of our model portfolios here at T3 Live. And if you're interested and you want to take a test flight into any of our services, go to t3live.com/test-flight. Now that'll get you into our weekly options model portfolio. But that'll also get you access to our primary live trade brief. And I'll tell you what, for $38 for a 2-week test flight, I'll also throw in our workbooks, our primary, intermediate, and advanced. And if you do the math on those, that's about a $250 value right there. So if you can't understand that paying $38 for something that's nearly $250, you're not going to be a good trader. More importantly, you're going to get 2 weeks of live trading with me in weekly options and the primary live trade brief. Okay, so make sure you check it out. t3live.com/test-flight. Okay, happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Friday's market wrap up tomorrow.